Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's Canva tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how we can lock individual elements in our design. So here we have a design that I've used from the Canva library. And if we just select over parts of the design, we can see they are all individual. So each one of those moves around independent of other parts of the design. When we are working on a design, if for example, we're really happy with the position of the title and we want to lock it down, so that when we're working on other elements of the design, it doesn't move. We can do that by clicking on the part of the design we want to lock. And here we can see now we have got a lock icon and it says we're going to lock the position only. So if we select lock, that means now it's got a white border around it and basically the position of that word will now not move. So we can move the background part, we can move the word below, but that one is locked. And again, if we want to do the same with the word below, we can come up and we can lock the position. If when we've done the rest of our design, we want to go back and make any changes, then that's really simple. Then we can just click on that again and we are then able to unlock it, and then that will allow us to make any changes that we feel we need to make. And that's how you can individually lock into position parts of your design inside of Canva. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you again soon.